Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Copilot is only as good as the prompts you feed it. A vague prompt gives you a vague answer. A well-structured prompt gives you exactly what you need and saves you time fixing bad outputs. Writing good prompts is a skill, but it's one you can actually learn by following a few simple principles: clarity, context, constraints, and refinement. You can turn Copilot from a frustration tool into a reliable assistant. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to write prompts that actually work. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, you should go and be specific. Tell Copilot exactly what you want. Vague prompts are the number one cause of bad answers. Instead of saying write a report on, for example, renewable energy, try better prompts. Write a 300-word executive summary on renewable energy trends in Europe for example, quarter 5, 2025 or something like that. Then you have to provide context. Copilot works best when it understands the full picture. Give it background information about your project, target audience, and even purpose. Then set format and style expectations. Tell Copilot how you want the answer formatted. Use bullet points for each benefit. Write it as a numbered list. Include headers for each section, or start with an executive summary. Write it like a journalist, not an academic, or something like this. So basically, you should provide details for a more detailed answer. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.